look at the way that all of the chrome trim fits around the car, all of this has to be blocked and fit to the windshield frame. The windshield frame is completely handmade out of 1/8" plate, working with Dave Willey, who ended up building that part. All of these are hand-shaped, cut out, welded together. We take it to the chrome shop. They would copper dip that, bring it back to us. We would block sand it on the car, making sure that it fit the cowl, that all the pieces fit. Make sure that, you know, using that copper, you actually sand that as if it's a primer or a Bondo. I think we copper dipped this windshield frame about 24 different times. Also having to make sure that it's small and lining up with the tops of the door molding around the back. The top itself, the molding coming around there. If you notice the split here in the molding on the top, lines up with the little peak line that's in the windshield frame itself. There's also a back split, and that line is exactly on line with the center of the French seam, which rolls around the top.